back to the oven cook. Today I'm going to do this brisket joint. Seems like quite a nice one actually, but see that price on there? £8.29 for this. Anyway, what I'm going to do with this is, what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to cut these strings off like this, so give it a chance to cook properly, like that. So this is going to open up. I'm going to put that in there, get a chicken stock cube, pour this in, plus some water, switched on to high, some garlic, just crushed, put those in. Worcester sauce, about 2 tablespoons, oregano, and a little bit of cinnamon, about a teaspoon. Let's give that a little mix in. We'll let that cook away for about 4 hours, and then we'll come back and we're going to put some vegetables in there for about an hour or so, or an hour and a half, so we'll see you then. Okay, so it's been a few hours, well about 4 hours actually. So all I've got here, I've got some potatoes. What I'm going to do with these is just cut them into what we need. It's all like manageable size for us. So what I'm going to do with these are going to cook in with the beef, and then they're going to be taken out and roasted in a pan in the oven. So these are going to end up really nice, leaving the skins on. Mushrooms, I'm going to chop the tops off, leave the stalks. These bigger ones, just going to quarter. Carrots, onions, red onions, and we're going to put some asparagus. Just let those cook away on top. That's lovely. So put the lid on, we'll be back, I don't know, a couple more hours. See you then.
later.
Okay, so there we go. Beef brisket, which was cooked in the slow cooker for about 7 hours altogether. Then taken out, put in a dish with the potatoes and the carrots and cooked in the oven. All the ingredients will be in the description. Got some asparagus, obviously carrots, potatoes, mushrooms and onions. Loads of garlic, so it's going to be really nice. And I've already tasted this, and it turned out really tasty. And really tender. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.